I am vlogging from the street. I don't like to do this, but I just have to do it. I just have to get some rice with this. I'm going to visit a nursery for the baby to see if they have got good conditions for him and how the carers are and how the nurses are and everything. It's quite distant from our house, but it's next to the university campus, so I think it works. Anyway, I'm gonna see how it is and if I like it or not. I hope I don't arrive late, because I always arrive late everywhere. I don't know why. Yeah, this morning you saw me doing some of my workout, then we had lunch, then we had a nap, and now we're going there. I'm gonna record a little bit in the area just to see you how that area looks like. It's very gorgeous. I can record in the nursery, but there is a gorgeous park next to the nursery, and I'm gonna record there. There are a lot of species of birds in there, and I think it looks amazing. Maybe after the nursery, if you've got time, I'm gonna go there, stay with the baby, maybe have a picnic or play when he will be bigger. So yeah, see you later. Hey babe, say hi. The name of this park is Arboretum Park. There's so much green in here. I think it's in escaping the nature. And we've been to see the nursery. I find it very, very beautiful. And there are a lot of stuff to look after the baby. I feel so strange vlogging here. You're going to sleep? Popping my nose into the camera. My nose looks huge. So this is the park. I'm going back to the city center. I'm gonna have some ice cream. God, I can't get used to vlog on the street. No, friend, it's so strange. I'm trying to think like I'm talking with someone at the webcam, but it's not the same, you know, because I'm still seeing myself in the screen, on screen. So yeah, I'm going to have an ice cream, some juice, diet, something, or just water, and then I'll go back home because I'm not dressed for this day. It's too warm and I have to wash my hair. I'm gonna try that new brush that I bought, and I'm gonna talk to you later. Hi everyone, we are back home. I'm not ashamed to vlog inside my apartment, but I was feeling so ashamed to vlog in the street, but I have to do it because I'm a vlogger, isn't it? So I have to get used to it, but it's hard to get used to it. Anyway, I wanted to show you the brush. Yes, I have this funny cap on my hair because I applied one of my masks. Oh god. Okay, we had a little interruption because baby just split out some milk. Anyway, I wanted to show you this brush. I just bought it from Amazon. It's from Babyliss. It's the first time that I'm using one of these. The thing is that now that my hair grew up, it needs to be a little bit, you know, it needs a style. It needs to be styled, and I don't want to use the hair straightener because my hair is already very dry. It's still processed, most of it. I know that it looks like it's all on the same color, and it looks uniform and beautiful because yeah, it's healthier than it used to be before, but it's not perfect. It's still processed. There is a lot of dye on it. There is a lot of bleach under this color, and we are here and Sebastian is a little bit agitated. He just had a nap, and after he sleeps and he wakes up, sometimes he's grumpy. But anyway, I was talking about my hair. So because my hair still is not so healthy as it used to be before all of this process. I've been for 2 years, I think, I've been blonde, and also after I dye my hair black and then I bleached again and I went platinum, everything went worse because my hair literally, that my hair just became horrible. And I decided to buy this. I'm gonna also open it for you if Sebastian allows me. Yeah, I think he won't. Yeah, maybe I'll do it later. I wanted to show you my hair after I did it with the brush. The bangs used to here different, but anyway, this is how it looks. I really like the texture though. I think it's so smooth now, and I'm not so good at doing it for now. Maybe because it was just the first time. I know how to stylish it with the blow dryer and a normal brush, but with this one it was the first time. And today is Thursday afternoon. I was waiting for my last results to my last exam, but because I did it in the evening time, they should arrive later on, so I think they should arrive tomorrow. And I think I've got enough material to end this video here because I don't want to make it too long. Yay, babe! Ha! It's so hot in here. Just had a great time together. He was a little bit grumpy in the morning, but now everything is settled down. Today I had so much sweets. I don't eat sweets, so just one a day or something more healthy, you know. But today I had like a cheat day of sweets. I don't know what happened with me. Maybe because I feel so tired, or I don't know, I was just feeling like I need sweets and I need it now. And I had some biscuits and an ice cream and also a couple of spoons of Nutella. Too much, God, too much. Tomorrow I don't have to eat. Literally, I won't eat any sweet, so nothing at all. Any kind of healthy treat or something will be replaced with oats or something different, because my skin doesn't deserve this treat. My skin deserves to be treated well, my body deserves to be treated well, and my body doesn't deserve this. Oh, you turn out to be grumpy again. So yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here. See you next time with the new vlog. Bye. Say bye. Come on.